So an SBA loan is a small business administration loan that is a guarantee. So the purpose of an SBA loan is to help small businesses obtain much needed, whether it's loans for working capital, new projects. They may not have enough equity. Instead of being able to do a conventional loan, say a 20-year mortgage, in which case SBA would allow you to do a 25-year mortgage. It's all about cash flow to get your business in the right footing. There's the SBA 7A and the SBA 504 program. The 7A, we can do loans for equipment, working capital, real estate, goodwill, which is a portion of the actual business that you're buying. This 504 allows basically just for equipment or real estate. The process is similar on both programs. 7A, the bank deals directly with SBA. On the 504 program, there's a few extra approval steps since you're dealing with a CDC company as well, and they have their underwriters to review and approve, and then they submit it to SBA for approval. Once we have their approval, we can set a closing date. One of my more recent success stories is a young entrepreneur who wanted to open up a franchise restaurant. Brand new openings are typically very difficult because it's all based on projections, cash flow, and the assumptions of how you're getting your monthly cash ins and cash outs. However, we look at the total picture. We look at personality, your characteristics. We also look at your professional history in that field. How much time you have as, say you're a manager of a previous restaurant. Well, maybe this allows you to transfer over to open your new one. Due to his character, his experience, in that field, we were able to help him out, open up, a new restaurant, and it is thriving. And we're there every step of the way. I still have sometimes weekly, monthly phone calls with him, making sure that everything is going well, seeing if he still needs anything. Lately it's been no, which is great. So he's doing very well, but we're gonna be there every step of the way. We're gonna be there in 2 years from now. We're gonna be there 10 years from now. So there are many benefits to SBA, especially when you're a new business or a business that is expanding. There are longer amortizations on these loans that allows the cash flow to potentially be better and more helpful, especially to, again, small businesses, that every penny counts. Another benefit of SBA is the lenders and the banks that you work with. DeMotte State Bank has vast experience with SBA loans and commercial loans to help your business succeed. Each one of our lenders would be more than willing to set up a time and a place and meet with you. Meeting with a local experienced commercial lender will help your business, especially when that lender knows your business, is willing to learn what you want to do with your business, and they're going to dive into your financials and help understand your cash flow, help understand how to get you from point A to point B, make that connection as seamless as possible, help your business and help it keep growing.